Let's be real, entertaining at home is starting to feel like a luxury. With the cost of living the way it is, a lot of Aussies are cutting back on catching up, especially at home.
One night of indulgence and your entire weekly grocery budget is gone faster than the chips and dip.
It does not have to be that way though. With a few smart swaps, a little bit of careful prep, you can be feeding your mates in style without breaking the bank.
So you reckon you could whip up a meal, including dessert, for $10 a head?
Absolutely. For that price, I'll give you a whole feast. And that's why I'm going to make a baked potato party for main course.
Ooh.
And a honey toast sundae for dessert. So Narelda, we'll start with the baked potatoes. It is very, very, very simple. I actually don't do anything to them. Just potatoes into an oven, 180, 200 degrees for about an hour. Could you make some crispy chickpeas? Just a tin of chickpeas, drained off.
Yep.
And we'll mix that together with some smoked paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and some vegetable stock powder. I'm just going to fry a bit of bacon.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
Do these get a healthy coat of oil?
They get a healthy coat of oil.
Right. Beautiful.
That can go into the oven with the potatoes.
Look at that, how efficient.
So now it's really just a matter of putting together all of the little bits and pieces that you might want to serve with your baked potatoes. We've got some bacon coming, just a bit of avocado, rocket, chives, whatever you want really.
Beautiful.
Even some chopped up roast chicken or something like that. All fantastic ingredients for a baked potato party. And after we've done this, we have a show-stopping dessert.
Ooh, excellent.
All of our toppings are ready for our baked potato party. So let's get our stuff out of the oven.
They are ready.
And then the chickpeas as well.
Whoa, look at those babies.
These are going to be absolutely delicious, I can
They
tell.
look like a snack.
And our potatoes.
And that's it. That's ready to go out to the table.
That's a dinner party.
Oh, so beautiful. Love it, love it. And so we're eating it with bread.
We are eating it with bread, but not the way you might think. That is going to form the basis of our dessert. This is ordinary white bread.
Okay.
We are going to turn this into honey toast. So if you could mix together some honey, brown sugar, and butter. I think there's something really nice about turning bread like this into a dessert because it's a little bit unexpected.
I grew up on bread and butter pudding, so you've got me with the bread already being a dessert.
Oh, you just wait. I think for a dinner party, you don't want it to be like a restaurant, but you do want to impress. Yeah, this is going to be a bit of a fancy looking dessert. You can cut it into cubes if that's going to make your life easier, but if you can pass me the thing that you've just made. We're going to put half of it onto the top here, and then we're going to flip it over.
Okay.
So that's one side, and we'll flip that over.
Did you invent this?
Yes and no. There's a honey toast dessert in Japan, but we're doing it kind of as almost like a cake. It's going to look like a pretty impressive cake. So now our oven is still hot. This can go in the oven.
It looks like sticky goodness to me.
It's going to be fantastic. How good does this look?
Oh, delicious.
That's our honey toast out of the oven, cooled down. We're ready to put it together into a pretty show-stopping dessert.
You can see the caramelisation as well. It looks like toffee. It's come out with some toffee edges.
Well, it's pretty much exactly what it is. If you could halve some strawberries for me.
Great.
A few ice cream scoops there. I've got some crushed up biscuits as well. Put a bit of that. Some strawberries.
It's all coming together.
And here's my trick. A couple of skewers go down through the ice cream.
Oh.
And it will hold that together.
Adam, you are a legend.
More ice cream on top.
That looks incredible.
Another good drizzle of honey.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Maybe a little chocolate syrup as well.
Ooh.
When this comes out to the table.
It's a showstopper.
Honestly, Narelda, we haven't done a lot to it, but that is a pretty great looking dessert. Well, between our baked potato party and our honey toast sundae, guess how much this cost per head?
More than $10, surely.
$6.50.
No.
Hosting does not have to mean overspending.
Good food, good times, good friends. That's really all that matters.
I completely agree.